Author guides offer a brief overview of an author's life, social network, geography, and notable contributions, enhanced with links to the factbook and timeline tool. Right now, there are 4 author guides in every Logospace package or feature upgrade: B.B. Warfield, Irenaeus, Jonathan Edwards, and Martin Luther. While there are multiple ways to find these author guides, the easiest way is by using the Everything search. To find your author guides, open your search panel and choose to run a basic search of everything in your Logos library. Now type author guides into the search box and press enter. While you'll get a ton of hits, your author guides are located in the Library Resources Results section. Click to open the guide you want when you're ready to explore. Author guides provide a survey of an author, the quick facts that you need to orient to the life, work, and historical setting of this figure, with information aggregated from Wikipedia, Theopedia, and other websites. The beginning sections offer historical grounding, while the final sections will help you navigate the author's work and find resources of interest. For example, notice in the life history section of Jonathan Edwards, we find that during his ministry, revival and the start of the First Great Awakening began in Edwards Church. Logos allows you to see this event in relation to other historical events and figures by clicking the timeline icon. The tool immediately opens in a separate window, allowing you to continue exploring. In the same section of the author guide for Irenaeus, we learn that he spent his early years studying under Polycarp. To learn more about Polycarp, his work, and his ministry, hover over or click the link to open the factbook article. Logos author guides offer a comprehensive introduction to the life and work of these historical figures, as well as demonstrate their range of influence and writings that impacted secular and Christian culture. What's probably the most helpful about author guides is how they allow you to navigate to specific comments, articles, or passages written by the author on virtually any topic. In the subject index, the editors have sorted and categorized the author's writings by topic, which allow us to skim the table of contents to see, for instance, what B.B. Warfield wrote on the Holy Spirit. Click on any of the topics and jump to that section of the index. Then select the resource link that interests you, and Logos will open the article in a separate window. In the Sermons section, the authors have grouped the author's sermons by book of the Bible, making it easy for us to learn from them as we study. And the Personal Letters section allows us, even if we don't own the resource, to see who they communicated with. When considering an author like B.B. Warfield, who penned thousands of sermons during his ministry, it's incredibly helpful to jump to a sermon on a particular book of the Bible and see the complete list of manuscripts authored by this influential preacher. As you explore the related writings and sermons of these authors, you may notice that some of the resource links are marked with a lock icon, which indicates that they are not part of your Logos library. No problem. You can always add these resources to your library at any point, and the next time you access the author guide, you'll have full access to these texts. Categorizing and linking to primary text is a painstaking process, but that's what makes author guides so great. They allow you to consume important historical information and then directly access nearly any related document or resource in seconds.